Good evening. 14th Nagaland Legislative Assembly 5th Session Laga Assembly Review Purese Mwasula Aro Script Tayar Kurishe Narayan Bahatur PTI Correspondent Kohima 14th Nagaland Legislative Assembly Laga 5th Session Laga Andim Tinde NLA Bara Legislators Kan Bara Kisaman Mamla Oper Pabana Rakhya Kohima Bara Dimapur 4-lane Rasta Kotam Noha National Highway De Contractors Kan Bara Guidelines Maniwali Oper Sarkar Doctors Kangi Non-Practicing Allowances Tia Pantari Subdivision under 1025 Bara Sungka Pusti Laga Rasta Bana Central Bara Sponsor Kriya Scheme under 16 CDBO Office Bana Aro Kohima Bara Jisami Laga 2-lane Rasta Bana Khan Oper MLA Achumpemo Kikon Nuklotushi Aro Kuzulozoni Nubara Kotakrishe Question Artik Kutum Hoa Bichide MLA Achumpemo Kikon Bra Itia Bangladesh De Hui Takya Takaraf Bra Illegal Immigrants Bishe Ayoli Baria Laga Chinta Oper Kotakrishe Taiki Jawab Digina Deputy Chief Minister Y Patton Bra House ki kuishe ki inika nishna halat ki sawle karone state sarkar pura tayar ase hulibi itia takte bishi manu aya laga report nai kile mani Nagaland Bangladesh logode ektabi border share nakure taibara aro kuishe ki district administration hoile police aro Assam logode border share korea districts laga security forces logode milai kina itu nishna bishi manu aya ge rukawle karone sob homoide takarabra checking Luese MLA Kuzolozoni Nobra Public Laga Tokari Urgent Mamla State Ceasefire Aro Kanun Aro Hukum Laga Mamla Operative Sarkar Ki Mundiule Matishe Aro Kuishe Ki Itu Ceasefire Agreement Huile State Shanti Aro Sukun Aniwole Karone Thalishe Huliwi Itu Pra Ulta Aro Bishiwala Biya Kuridiase Taibara Kuishe Itu Ceasefire Agreement Huile Bishi Factions Hui Jabra Naga Groups Kanbara Publike Damki Dia Puikila Muraidia Illegal Taxation Talia Aro Dictar Diwole Laga License Ekta Huishe Taigushe State De Hua Sop Biya Kam Ceasefire Laga Nam under the Huyase Itu Karone Daibra Itu Babana Rakishegi Chuti Review Kuriasat Rule of Law Thaliwole Karone Ground Rules Ki Putli Kuriwole Lage Deputy CM Pattonborough Dailaka Jawab Di Kuishegi Inika Katna Bishi Utia Dikilewi Narukigina Arrest Korea Active Huabara Law Aro Order Kam Korea Aro Law Enforcement Takya Tikayase Daibra Aro Junaishe Ki Sarkar Bra Ceasefire Monitoring Group Nahoile Ceasefire Supervisory Board Laga Chairman Ke Ceasefire Kilaf Kam Korea Oper Likishe Aro Itu Oper Action Lowole Mangkurishe Daibra Aro House Ke Itu Vishwas Tilaishe Ge State Te Kanun Aro Hukum July Jawole Karone Police Force Bra Paria Sop Kotum Luyase MLA Azo Nuklodushi Aro Dr. Sukhato A. Semabra Luigina Naka Political Issue Public Laga Urgent Dorkari Mamla Ekta Nishna Itu Oper Kotakurishe Itu Logodi Alak Nota Legislators Parabi Itu Kota Bata Kuriade Chukluishe Aro Itu De Chief Minister Nipurio Bra Antim Kota Dishe Tai Khan Sopra Naka Groups Kanke Tai Khan Namilia Takya Kotam Kuriwole Aro Naka Laga Babana Punchole De Miliwole Oper Kota Kurishe Members Khan Bara Babana Rakishegi Government of India Aro Naka Groups Majodi Takya Twitter Dorkari Agreement Framework Aro Agreed Position Huile Stakeholders Stop Logode Pal Bara Kota Kuriwole Karone Public Samne Luigina Ahiwole Lage Deputy Speaker S. Toy Hobara Ajidin Laga Second Session Chair Kurishe Sam Laga Session De House Bara Komsikom Choita Bills Pass Kurishe Itude The Nagaland Goods and Services Tax 9th Amendment Bill 2024 The Nagaland Work Charge and Casual Employees Regulation First Amendment Bill 2024 The Nagaland Municipal Amendment Act Bill 2024 Disqualification on Group of Defection in Urban Local Bodies Bill 2024 The Nagaland Road Safety Authority Second Amendment Bill 2024 Aro The Global Open University Nagaland Second Amendment Bill 2024 Kan Milagina Takishe Kuntukan Chief Minister Nipurio Deputy CM TR Ziliang Aro Minister Timchin Imna Alongbara August 2017 introduced Kurishe MLA Nuklotushi Aro Picto Shohebara Support Kurina Minister of Power KG Kenyebra Nagaland Communitization of Public Institution and Services Act 2002 Sanitization Our Aro Awareness Under the Urban Aro Rural Chaka Khande Electricity Mamla Ober Sawole Karone Power Sector Reforms Ober Kota Kurishe Bishiwala Urban Aro Suburban Chaka Khande Power Tariff De Revenue Jama Korea De Loss Hwade Taikanbara Nagaland Communitization of Electricity Management in Urban Areas and Urban Electricity Management Board Rules 2004 ke olai dole aro pusti khande Village Council Rule 2002 under Nagaland Communitization of Electricity Management Day patlaf aniwole kuishe. MLA Imkong L. Imchen Committee on Public Undertakings Laka Chairman Bra Nagaland Handloom and Handicraft Development Corporation, Nagaland State Mineral Development Corporation Limited, aro Nagaland Industrial Development Corporation Khan Lagode Churia Committee Laka Report 145 Bra 148 Laka copies present Grishe. MLA Matang Yandan Committee on Public Accounts Laka Chairman Bra Committee Laka Report 131 Bra 136 Tak Laka copies present Grishe. Pasode Speaker Sharingan Lungamer Bra Session ke Kotam Grishe.